Watching just a guy in nature with his basketball. Let's check this out. Switch, jab step. Bro, I can already tell this guy is a really good basketball player. Jab steps, fundamental moves. Hold up, wait. Look at the basketball court real quick. Yo, this is tough. Where this at? Yo, this court is looking nice. Nice move. Oh, man, you gotta make that. That's $1 million move, 1 cent finish. But I know, I could tell just by the way he's dribbling the ball, the way he's shooting, he's a hooper. So the rest of the video, he's probably gonna be making all these shots. And he got the Crocs right here. Already know, man, it's tough. Splash. Okay, I saw the turnaround. Splash. Super relaxed. Swishes, the sound of the basketball. He's holding his defender to sleep. Okay, I see him. Give me 3.
I'm fine.
Ooh, jelly?
Yeah, that's not that strong.
Yo, this was fire. I might need an hour-long video, bro, cause the way the ball was swishing, the way the ball was bouncing on the ground, music to my ears, bro. I just felt so locked in. I felt so relaxed. Yo, this might be a sign for me to go out today and go play some basketball, cause bro, I missed the hoop sessions, man. But anyway, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.